Do you want an alibi? Showing your busyness without staying in front of your computer or being really busy. You don't need to install any mouse jiggle apps, only to follow these steps. Open Outlook. Calendar. New appointment. Teams meeting. Join Teams meeting. Join now. Your status is changed to busy. Appears in a call now. You can go even further. Share content. Select a window or screen. You are in presenting status now. You will only get urgent message notification from your priority contacts. Thanks for watching.